What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. But the video of today, it's all about the lightning. Now, I understand that lightning plays big role in your video, like especially like me right now. I have only one light in here, which it's an Ulanzi light, which if you didn't check out the review, well, I don't know what you're waiting for. You can just tap here on this card app so as you can check out that review. But before you go to that review, well, today I have something amazing. This is a video lighting from LUXCEO. As some of you guys don't know, since video light plays big role throughout enhancing on your video, well, today we're checking out the LUXCEO light, how it is and its functionality and its capability, and is it really good so as it can help you out through different scenarios, especially whenever you're shooting in a dark area, because these lights, they're really impressive whenever you are using it, and they're RGB, so as you can just modify any light you want to and stuff like that. So enough of me talking, let's get started throughout the video of today. We're gonna just do a quick unboxing through here. First thing first, you're getting your USB cable in here, which is really cool. Second thing, you're getting your remote. Just know that this lightning uses a remote, which is really dope. Another kind of stuff, the paperwork. Some of you guys don't know, you want to read it, paperwork, you have it. Another kind of stuff, you're getting a strap, like a small strap, which you can hold it throughout your light. As you can see in here, the design seems to be really dope. I like the way they kept it, and throughout here you can see the material finish. It's really looking great, and it's a plastic and ABS material mixed throughout your lightning, so don't have any problem throughout. When it falls, I think the damage won't be that much, depending on the distance, if you fall it throughout the high range of the distance. But throughout the lightning seems to be really cool, because 2500 Kelvin to 500 Kelvin throughout here, and the milliampere is 2500 milliampere battery, which is quite not bad. So throughout here you guys can see this. Throughout here, this is your menu throughout controlling everything. So these buttons, they're your menu to control everything. So let me say I'm turning it on right now. So as you guys can see, you can see the lightning is on, and there's turning this button to turn it off. So this button is for turning it off, but this button is to increase the intensity of your lightning, and this button is to decrease the intensity of your lightning, depending on you how much lightning you want. And on this side, you change the lightning color, so you can interchange between those modes, and it have a variety of modes depending on you what you want. So you can change this scene 7, you're having scene 8. I believe they have like almost 20 scenes, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, it has only 12 scenes, which is quite not bad. So our first scene, it's flashy. See, it's like flashing light, it's like thunder. Our second scene, it's this one here, same but more speed, and we're having this one here like SOS style, and you're having this one like a cop car chasing you. So yeah, another one same as a cop car, so you can mix the color, you can see there really quickly, and you're having 6 there, and you're having 7. It's just like a cycle of color which is fading, which is quite not bad. So you're having different variety of modes, and if you don't want any mode, you can change back to normal, which your lightning gonna be in a normal way. Now it has variety of scenes in here, which it's really impressive, to be honest, and I kind of vibe with that. Now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna be using it by using the remote. Now turn it on, then use the remote to turn it off. It's like this way. You see IR, it's off, but when I turn it on, the IR is gone on the same LCD panel here. Let me zoom in so as you guys can see. When I turn it off right now, you can see IR off. When I turn it on, it's that way. So I can control between having intense lightning, just like that, just by minimizing the intensity of the lightning and increasing the intensity of the lightning depending on me how much I need. And another kind of stuff, you can change throughout RGB, and you can see how much you're changing throughout the color. Let's say you want something cyan, and going out of cyan, it might be green going somewhere there. So depending on you what you really need. And there's another button called turbo. When you turn it on turbo, the color is just blowing, man. It's like all over the place. It's like 4500 Kelvin throughout turbo, quite not bad. And through here you can push it to 600 and 500 and 4500K and and 3000 K, depending on you which lightning intensity you really need. And another kind of stuff which is cool, you can increase up to 6500 Kelvin throughout there, and you can increase your lightning and bust it as much as you want. So guys, the lightning which I've mounted right now is the LUXCEO lightning, which is so great. I can control it by using only the remote. I can change the color to red and green and blue and stuff like that, which is really cool, and I can change back to the normal color state, which is amazing. Now, through using this kind of LUXCEO light, it's really pushing throughout your videos to not get those kind of noisy, some craziness on your video, not looking crispy sharp, and it's really annoying if you don't have a video light throughout your video. Now, today I want to share with you another light which it might be really helpful for you throughout improving on your content if you didn't check it out. By the way, this kind of light, it's the Ulanzi VL49. It's a really good light, small light, but it's packed with a bunch of good features. And if you didn't check out the review of this lighting, well, I don't know what you're waiting for. You can click this card here up or here. So as you can go and check out the VL49 by Ulanzi. This lightning, it's a magnetic first of all, and it has 2000 milliamp of battery. That means it's more powerful than I can say, not like LUXCEO, but it's a little bit closer to LUXCEO. And if you have two of them, man, it's really crazy. So this is a good lightning, and you can mount other lights throughout here. You can see you're having many portion of mounting other lightning. You can create a gigantic of lights by just mounting here and there, and it's really amazing. Kind of goodness about this lighting, its light intensity starts from 2500 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, which is really insane. Through using this lightning, it gives you a perfect and amazing kind of look throughout your videos, and you won't resist it throughout there because it's really good. So let me know in the comments down below, which kind of lightning do you prefer? Do you prefer the Ulanzi VL, which I really love this lightning, by the way, because it's just portable. I can just keep it on my bag and forget about it, and whenever I need it, it's there. I can just use it. But the LUXCEO now, why do I call the LUXCEO the VL? Anyways, it's the LUXCEO. It's a little bit longer lightning. You can keep it though in your bag too. It's quite not bad. It's compact, but it's a little bit, you know, it will take you time to mount it and use it and stuff like that. It's quite not bad, but still it's a really compact lightning to be using to improve on your videos. Let me know in the comments down below, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one today, where the Taz what do you call this? Flat cape. This is not a flat cape. This is a baseball cape, and I'm not going for a baseball, by the way. If you're asking me where am I going right now, I have no idea. I'm about just to finish this video, and I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. And cheers guys, and peace.